أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we have started learning the properties of ism. How many properties of ism? 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. How many properties do we have? Anybody who wants to tell me?
4.
We have 4. Okay, we have 4. Okay.
Status gender number type.
Okay. Let's just hold on a second. I was going to ask Umar Suhail, name the properties. What are the properties, Umar?
There are 4 properties
Mm-hmm.
of ism, noun, which is Arab, al-adad, al-jins, and al-wusah, or al-now even.
What are they called in English? We are going to
Uh,
use English terms here.
okay, status, number, gender, and type.
The order is important.
Yeah,
Status,
status, number, gender, and definitiveness.
status, gender, number, and type. Okay. First is status, then gender, then number, and type. Do you see the order? Status, gender, number, and type. So we have to memorize them in this order. It will help. All right. Thank you, Umar. If you like Arabic, I don't mind you want to memorize that, that's fine. But for this class, we are going to use English terms. Okay? Status. So then we start learning about the status. Then we learn the Muslim chart. Muslim chart are of two types, masculine and feminine. Now I need a volunteer to tell me the Muslim chart for masculine gender. Okay, I have 4 names in the list on the top: Ahmad, Muhammad, Ibrahim, and Amara. Who is going to do this? Sorry, who is this?
Assalamu alaikum, it's Muhammad.
Muhammad. Go ahead, Muhammad. Masculine gender Muslim chart.
مسلمون مسلمان مسلمين مسلمان مسلمين مسلمين مسلمون مسلمين مسلمين.
Very good. Thank you. Umar Suhail, Muslim chart for masculine.
Okay. Muslimun, musliman, muslimin, muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini, muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina.
All right. Good. Sister Ajia, Muslim chart for masculine gender.
Musliman, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimanu,
No.
Muslim,
Muna.
Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
Very good. Good job. Thank you. So this is a Muslim chart. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. Singular, dual, and plural. There are 3 columns in it. And as you already know, plural does not include 2 in Arabic language. So we have a separate word for dual, for 2. And all these words mean either Muslim or 2 Muslims or more than 2 Muslims, which is the plural here. Why we have 3 words if they mean the same? Like Muslimun, Musliman, and Muslimin. That is what we are going to learn today, inshallah. And then we practice them with other words. And then we learned the feminine gender Muslim chart. I need a couple of volunteers for this who know this already. Okay, Haider. Haider, you are with us? Haider Amir? You're not.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Go ahead and give me the feminine gender Muslim chart, please.
Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimatani, Muslimataini, Muslimataini, Muslimatuna, Muslimatun, Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin.
Yeah. Thank you, Emma, for correction. Good job. Thank you. Thank you, both of you. One more time, and then we move on. I have to pick someone. Cyresa, Sister Cyresa, I believe. Muslim chart for feminine gender. Can you tell me that, please? Well, she's not responding. Sister Rabia, please.
Yes.
Muslim chart for feminine gender, please.
Muslimatun, muslimatan, muslimatin, muslimatani, muslimataini, muslimataini, uh, muslimat, mm, muslimatin, muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin.
Yeah, good. You got it. So Muslimun is male Muslim and Muslimatun is a female Muslim by adding a ta marbuta at the end. And the chart is Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimatani, Muslimataini, Muslimataini, Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. Everybody should be able to do this within 10 seconds or faster. If you're taking more time than this, then you need to work on it. Okay? All right, then we learned, how to use other words to fit in this template, in this table. All right. So I'm displaying to you again the Muslim chart. All right. And you see in the first column, there are three words, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. All three of them mean one Muslim, a Muslim. So why we have three? Similarly, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. Why we have three? Well, they are basically two words, but the second word is written twice. So why it is written twice? And why we have two different words for the same meaning? And same question here for the third column, for the plural words. Inshallah, we are going to learn that today. Why we have that. Okay. I added a fourth column to it. It states status. So today we are learning status, the first property of Islam. Learning the Muslim chart was something that we needed to learn status. Today we are learning status. Okay. So the first row in this table, all three words, Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna, their status is Rafa. Rafa. The second row, Musliman, Muslimaini, and Muslimina. All three of them, their status is Nasab. And the third row, Muslimin, Muslimaini, Muslimina. These three words, their status is Jar. Now, the next question in your mind will be, what is the meaning of Rafa? What is the meaning of Nasab? What's the meaning of Jar? And why we are even learning this? What is the benefit of learning status? You just have to trust me for now, okay? Take my word for it. What I'm saying is, knowing this is the fundamental to learning Arabic. Without knowing the status, you will not be able to do much in Arabic. Literally. All right? So just go with this. Inshallah, the answers will come in future if you have more questions in mind why we are learning this. So whenever you see an ism in an ayah, on a page in Quran, you are supposed to know what status it has. Is it in Rafa status, Nasab status, or Jar status? That will really help you learn the Quran. So how you tell the status? If you see an ism and on the last letter it has single dhamma or double dhamma, at-tanween, then it is Rafa. And if it has a single fatha or double fatha, then it is Nasab. If it is single kasra or double kasra, then it is Jar. This is for singular. If it is a dual and the ending sound is ani, like Muslimani, ani, the ending sound, then it is Rafa. And if it is ending sound is aini, like Muslimaini, then it will be either nasab or jar. Nasab or jar, they have the same identification with respect to telling the status. And when for the plural, if ending sound is una, like muslimuna, muslimuna, una, if the ending sound is una, then it is rafa. If the ending sound is ina, then it is either nasab or jar. Muslimina, ina. So ina is the ending sound. So this is how you tell the status of an ism in Arabic language. And it is important to know this, how to tell the status. Rafa, nasab, and jar. So these are the three new terms you need to memorize. Rafa, nasab, and jar. So in Arabic language, every ism has a status, and it will be either rafa or nasab or jar. And now we know how to tell the status, how to identify if an ism is in rafa status, nasab status, or jar status. Abidani. You see the word abidani? We used this before as well, a version of it. Abidun. Abidun means a worshipper. Abidani. We need to know the meaning of abidani, and we need to tell the status of abidani. There are two tasks. Abidun means a worshipper. I need a volunteer who wants to work with me. Anybody who is willing. Okay, Sadiq Bal.
Yes, Assalamualaikum. Abidani, it ends with an ani sound, so it's Rafa status.
No, go work with me, Saad. What's the meaning of abidani?
Abidani is two worshippers.
How do you know it is two?
Because ani ends in the dual category.
Yeah, the ani sound tells me it is a dual. Two worshippers. How do you, okay, what is the status of this? Rafa, nasab, or jar?
Rafa,
Why?
because it ends in ani sound.
The ending sound is ani. So therefore, its status is
Rafa.
Rafa. Good. Thank you, Saad. Okay, let's do the same exercise for Sajidin. Sajidin means a person who is doing sajda, a single person. Brother Ahmad is going to do this. What is the meaning of Sajidin? I just told you.
Prostrator.
Prostrator. All right. What is its status? Rafa, nasab, or jar?
It is Sajidin, so it is jar.
Why?
It is singular.
Mm-hmm.
And in.
It has two kasra, right?
Yeah.
At the end. So that is why it is in jar status. Good job. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Mu'minuna. Mu'minuna. Okay. Sister Yusra. Mu'minuna.
Nuna,
Mu'minuna. Where would you fit it for styling the status? Rafa, nasab, or jar?
nasun, no, Rafa,
Why?
because answer una.
Una ending sound. Una. It means believers. More than two believers. And the ending sound is una. Therefore, it is in Rafa status. All right. Next one. Kafirun. Anybody who wants to do this? Kafirun. Okay, I don't have a hand up, so I will. Okay, Usman. Usman Sayyid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Go ahead.
Kafirun,
Mhm.
kafiran, kafirin, kafirani, kafiraini, kafiraini, kafiruna, kafirina, kafirina.
Okay, you know the table. That's good. The question is, what is the status of kafirun? Rafa, nasab, or jar?
Rafa,
Why?
because it because of una sound.
There is
I mean
no una
un.
sound here.
Un.
We don't
Because
go,
of
this is a singular, Usman. We don't go with the ending sound. We go with the haraka on this one. What is the
yes.
haraka on the last letter?
Un.
Tun, yeah. The double haraka. It's a tanween, right? To dhamma. So it is, that is why it is rafa. Good job. Thank you. A couple of more words. Nasiraini. Nasiraini. Umar Sohail.
Okay. Now what?
Can you read this word? Where my
Now
cursor is moving? Read it.
Nasiraini.
Mm-hmm. What is the status of Nasiraini? Rafa, Nasab, or Jar?
It is jar.
Could this be Rafa as well? Nasab as well or no?
No.
No? Okay. Look at these words here. Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini.
Maini.
Aini, Aini
And
for the last two.
Nasiraini could be
Nasiraini could be Nasab or it could be Jar. We don't know. It could be any of the two. But when it is used in Quran, it will be either Nasab or Jar. And we will know at that time. Because when it is used in a sentence, then we can figure it out. Is it Nasab or Jar? Alright? Good
okay.
job. Good job. Okay, one more. Kafiruna. Kafiruna. Abdurrahman, Kafiruna.
Kafiruna would be Rafa.
Why?
Because the ending sound is una.
Ending sound is una, and that is why it is Rafa. Okay. Let's go. The remaining parts, remaining words will be done in the breakout room. So similarly, for the feminine gender words, the first row is Rafa, second is Nasab, third row is Jar. Alright, how to tell the status? The first two categories are the same. Huh? Singular, single dhamma, double dhamma will be Rafa. If a single fatha, double fatha, it will be Nasab. If it is single jar or double jar, double kasra I mean, single kasra or double kasra, then it will be jar. Dual ani, aini, aini, same identification. The difference is in plural. If it is atun, in masculine it was una, ina, ina. We don't have una, ina, ina here. We don't. What we have atun, atin, and atin. So if it is atun, it is rafa. If it is atin, it is either nasab or jar. Very similar. Only plural is a little different because we don't have una, ina here. So let's do the same exercise. Mu'minatun. What it is? It is rafa, nasab, or jar. Brother Musab, what do you think? Brother Musab?
It's Rafa.
Rafa, stay with me. You have Sister Khawla with you.
Yes.
Next word, Sister Khawla. Ayatin.
Jar.
What is it? Rafa, nasab, or jar?
Jar.
Jar. Good. Could this be nasab as well by any chance? This is a plural
No.
word. Ayatin. Atin. Or no, it is strictly jar.
No, plural.
Ruler.
Yeah. So it could be nasab, could be jar. Because it is atin, longer. Atin. Atin. And atin is for nasab and jar according to the table here. So it could be nasab, could be jar. All right. Next word. Jannatin. Jannatin. Let me pick someone. Brother Farrukh Hamid. What do you think?
It could be nasab or jar.
Could be nasab or jar. Jannatin, it's a plural. Very good. Thank you, brother. Brother Danish. Nasiratani. Is it nasab, rafa, nasab or jar?
So nasiratani can be nasab or jar.
You want to reconsider your answer?
No.
No? You said nasab or jar, huh?
Yeah.
Anybody who wants to disagree with brother Danish? Brother Shoaib.
Yes, sir. It is Rafa
It is rafa. Why you're saying rafa?
because it's a ani is the ending sound and it's a dual noun.
Yeah, it's ani. Ani, huh? Ani,
Oh, sorry.
aini,
Yeah.
aini. Right, brother
Ain.
Danish?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So brother Shoaib is right. It is rafa. It is not nasab or jar. All right, we will just do a couple of more and then we go to the breakout room. All right. Sajidatan, a lady who does sajda. A lady, a female who does sajda, the one who prostrates. Huh? Let me pick someone. Sister Sarvat, please. Sajidatan.
Assalamualaikum. Sajidatan is nasab, singular.
Nasab. Good. Kafiratan. Stay with me.
Kafirat, yeah, kafiratan is also nasab.
Next one.
Rafa,
Rafa.
abidatun.
Abi. No, so you have to read it right, sister. Can you say it? Read it at first.
Yeah, okay. Abidatun. Sorry, abida.
Abidatun.
Yeah, abidatun. Yeah, it's Rafa.
Rafa, because
it is ending with the dual pesh.
No.
Sorry.
Ending sound.
Yeah, ending sound is
Atun, because it is plural, right? Atun, it is plural. I know it is Sabbal Dhamma, so it's easy to say that, but then when you go to the Nasab and Jar, then it will be problem. So we go with ending sound on this one, not with the ending haraka, because it is a plural. But the answer was correct. Yeah, thank you, sister. So this is where I will stop. So what we are going to do in the breakout room, the words which I did not use, for example, in this session, we will go over those words and every student is supposed to tell the status, Rafa, Nasab or Jar. All right, so let's go to the breakout room now.